this question on probability. It says that a coin is tossed 3 times. Draw a tree diagram showing the outcomes. So we want to draw a tree diagram showing the outcomes when a coin is tossed 3 times. Now, when you toss a coin, you know that a coin has 2 faces, the head and the tail, okay? So for the first row, you can see that for the first row of the coin, you will have either a head or a tail, okay? If this is the coin, the first row will give you a head or a tail. Now, when you throw this coin the second time, you can either obtain a head or a tail as well, or a head and a tail on this other side. That is to say, if the first outcome was a head, then for your second row, there's a possibility to also get a head and a tail. Here it's saying that if the first row was a tail, then for your second row, you can either get a head or a tail. And then also, if there is a third row, you can also get a head or a tail if the outcome for the second was a head. You can also get a head or a tail if the outcome of the second was a tail. And then it continues like that. Head and tail, and then you have what? Head and tail. So this is actually the tree diagram. This is for the second row, and this is for the final row, okay? This one here is for the final row. Now, let's get the outcome. Remember, for every outcome, for a toss of 2 coins, the probability of getting a tail and a head or a head, they are the same thing, which is half. So the probability of getting a head is half, 1/2. The same thing, all the outcome for both a head and a tail, they are all 1/2, because we have just 2 sides, which is head and tail, 2. And the faces, each of them are 1. So that's 1/2 for each of them, okay? So 1/2. Now let's get our outcome here. So for the outcome, we are having HHH here. That is, if I follow this line, I follow this HHT, I follow this HTH, I follow this HTT, I follow this line THH, I follow this line THT, I follow this line TTH, and I follow this line TTT. Can you see that? Okay, so these are all the possible outcomes. Now, I've answered question 1 that says draw a tree diagram. I've answered the question 1. The question 2 says find the probability of obtaining at least 1 tail. 1 tail means you can have 1 tail or more. So let's look at all these outcomes where we have 1 tail or more. And that is this, you have 1 tail here, a tail here. So we are talking about everything here. All the outcomes here. Because here we don't have any tail at all. So instead of obtaining at least 1 tail, that is what we are going to calculate everything that is here. So let's see how to do that. Okay, so this is how to go about it now. So to get this probability, remember the probability of at least 1 tail, I said it's from this place downward, because if you check, all this outcome contains at least 1 tail. So let's get their probabilities now. So this first one here is HHT, which is head, tail. Okay, and the probability here are half, half, and half. Okay, so which means we are actually multiplying those figures there. So we are going to have that our HHT is half times half times half, 1 over 2 times 1 over 2 times 1 over 2, and that will give us 1 over 8. So I'm having 1 over 8. Okay, the next one is HTH. 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 Everything is also what? Half times half times half. Can you see that? So that will also give us what? 1 over 8. So if we continue like that, their probabilities, they are all half, 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 half. So this will also give us 1 over 8, this will give us 1 over 8, this will give us 1 over 8, this, they will all give us 1 over 8. They will all give us 1 over 8. Is that clear? So since they will all give us 1 over 8, so if we take it down to the last one, which is TTT, we'll always get down to 1 over 8. So all we just have to do is just to sum them up. Okay, so our value now is going to be, how many are they? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So our probability is what? 7 times 1 over 8, and that is 7 over 8. So this is the probability of obtaining at least one tail. I hope you gained value. Thanks for watching. Do have a great day. Bye. Don't forget to like and to share this video if you think it's beneficial. Okay?